Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 10 pack a vintage frame template in PSD EPS and AI file for Adobe Illustrator. You see here one for PSD, second volume, EPS AI, and here a just preview file. You can import your picture design or your logo, but these are password protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwt.com. Here 30 days, 90 days and lifetime membership with all premium content, stock content. Okay, and same thing here with different shape of frame. You can put your own text or poster. Here APS, here AI, and here PSD. Wow, I know you know how to use in or customize in Photoshop. Amazing. Okay, and here last folder, Victorian. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.